Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing, and this one I'm really looking forward to showing you all. Not quite sure how we're getting into this one. Looks like got something here to work with, I think. Look at that blade slicing through it. That should theoretically open it up. Now, just like to thank Thomas from Darwin Shaving for helping me out so I could buy this razor. Just make sure that's all done. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you very much. And same to you. Right, I should have maybe got scissors for this. Let's see what I can do. God, that is a sharp blade. Well, we've got some original Gillette blades. Paper worn through a bit on that one. Doesn't that look like? Let's have a look at this one. Not to be resharpened. Looks like the serial number there, 775134. And 733 on this side. So we'll, you people out there who follow razor blades or who have a bit of an interest or hobby in vintage razor blades, 733, maybe you can tell me what sort of a age period or we're looking at here. When during the 1900s or 19th or 20th century was that? 1920, 1930? Interesting stuff. So, get into this and, oh, this is the razor itself. Now, you've all seen one of these razors before. And here we go. E7930. Have a look underneath. Made in USA, Gillette. Now this is sterling silver. Now this is different to my other one I shaved with. Let me focus that up. So it's got a bit of knurling in the handle, so it makes it easy to grip. It's telescopic. That should lock it up. Let's have a look at the end of that. There we got it. That's locked. Oh, no, we haven't. But it's locked up enough to be able to shave with it. Now, I never thought I would ever own one of these. I am so stoked. So there's someone's initials, MD. So this is a Tiffany set, sterling silver set. and I've wanted one of these for a long time, and Can't believe I've scored it. Just unbelievable stuff. That was beautiful. Ah, there, it's just there. I don't know if that's going to come up. Tiffany and Co. I think that says Sterling. So if I get it closer and into focus. Unreal. So let's put this away as it would have. I wonder how this. That has to be the way. There it is. The Tiffany set. I wonder who MD was. Well, whoever MD was, let's let old mate know that I'm looking after his razor. I'd like to thank him too for originally purchasing it. And it's now part of my collection and it's safe there. His memory lives on, MD. Okay, thanks for watching. Ciao for now.